What's up, Automotive Pandas? Peter von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this performance air filter. It's for my Prowler HPR 3660. For yours, make sure you get the one that's appropriate for you. It's a Spectre, like the James Bond evil villain organization, Spectre Performance, engineered to add performance, washable, reusable, pre-oiled. You can take it out, wash it, and reuse it and oil it up. And what I wanted to take a look at here is what it looks like and just kind of compare it. I don't have a K&N with me, but obviously they're the elephant in the room. K&N filters, obviously high performance, known for kind of the red finish. And this is one that looks a lot like it, and I think kind of competes with it. Now, I will say the K&N for my Plymouth Prowler was almost 60 bucks, I want to say, and this one was under 20. So there's a huge price difference, obviously. And what I was hoping for, and as I was reading the reviews, it seems like it's a pretty good proxy. Now, obviously, K&N is well respected and noted in the automotive industry. You can see here we have the kind of the red cloth material under a metal mesh. We also have big rubberized housing, Spectre silked on there, and flexible but robust. So look at the deep folds there. You can't I can kind of see the light behind there. So obviously brand new and clean. Hopefully this goes in and should be a direct replacement for my paper filter. But this is what it looks like. Just wanted to kind of show it to you so that you can see that it's legit, it's real, and so far I'm pretty impressed with it, just on the way it looks and kind of the nice construction. So, if it works half as well as it looks, I think you'll be in for a treat and be a little easier on your pocketbook. Especially when most of the regular paper filters are already $14, $15. This is like a $5 step up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda out.